Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today video is a website review for a crypto theme meme token called Clown White token or $CLW, and this one definitely a unique, so stick around us as we explore what it's all about. I will share all the details, but before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to also you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So without wasting your time, I will start review of this brilliant project. Clown White token is the project that describes itself as a tokenized protest. According to their website, it's a meme coin launched on the Solana blockchain. The team makes it clear this is a where statical zero utility token meant to reflect the absurdity of online and the political culture. So you can see it here, all the details of what turn into the circus, they turn into a token. You can see the clone word token there. Basically ticker is given here, the dollar clone, and 1 billion supply powered by Solana. With 1 billion token and no pre-sale utility or a roadmap, it's positioning itself a purely symbolical. So you can see furthermore they have the token addresses given. You have to copy that address, go to the exchange or go to their wallet, paste that so that you can easily be able to get it in your account. So furthermore, as seen on Twitter, with over 3 million followers on Twitter, ClownWord is where the internet madness meets the timeline, followed by the major public figures like politicians, world leaders, and billionaires. They have been calling out the clone show long before it was cool. So now it's on chain, name as dollar clone. They are on chain. Clone word token was not launched to fix the system, it was launched to mock it. So born from futuristic and it's born from frustration, sarcasm, and zero faith in the status quo. Clone is a meme powered by protest against the absurdity of life. So it's talking about itself that it's is token protest here. So furthermore, the detail is using on Solana. This site explain how users can buy dollar clone using a Solana wallet like Phantom or Solfair. And furthermore, you can see at the time of this recording, dollar clone is also given here, and the detail is given, and you can see it here. They are talking about the politicians lie with a straight face. Science says men can be pregnant, and the media reads like a fan fiction. Disagree, you are labeled extreme, and the clone is a digital middle finger to the madness here. So furthermore, at the time of recording this video, the dollar clone is trading on the Solana based DEXs with a very low liquidity. Prices can fluctuate widely and the slippage can be high. Again, there is no guarantee on the basically price, so do your own research before going into it. But the liquidity is $84k, and which is good, and the FDV is 525k. The market price is also 525k. You can see the price is going up from the last few times, now little bit increase as a graph. You can see it here, the other purchases also. And furthermore, you can see it here, the clown word token is a meme coin with a hysterical spin on the internet culture. It's not pretending to be the serious investment. If you are curious about the blockchain protest or the crypto art, it's an interesting case. But if you are here for profit, this probably is not basically the thing. So do your own research, and the detail is given how to buy dollar clone. Install Phantom or the Solfair wallet, add Sol to your wallet, and after that you can open the wallet, paste the address, verify the address, and before swapping, swap Sol to the clone. And you can do your own research on buying, or you can see the videos more. So you can see it here. You can even though follow them on the Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, also on the Facebook. You can see further details on it. Everything got done, so we get plotter. So you can see it here, the detail is given here. So I shared the details. You can also join them on the Twitter. I will recommend you to do your own research before investing in project. And clone word, the freak show is real. They just hit upload. You can see it here, the details furthermore is given on. You can easily be a part of their Twitter and also on the Telegram, so that you can be able to get to know more news about that. You can see the deck skinner, which I already shared with you. I shared all the details. So you can see all detail is given. You can go for that, you can even buy it, or you can see the word turns into the circus. You can see your points here. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative or entertaining, hit the like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments, do you think meme coins like dollar clown are just a joke, or do they actually say something about the state of the crypto culture? So I share all the details. Thank you for watching.